With respect to the president's tweets about alleged wiretapping directed at him by the prior administration, I have no information that supports those tweets.
And then obviously there's been this discussion of Paul Manafort, who played a very limited role for a very limited amount of time. But beyond... Hey, Jonathan.
I've often said politically the best thing I can do is absolutely nothing. Wait 1 year, and then even the Democrats will come say, please, please, you got to help us. But it's not the right thing to do for the people.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, my God.
Put it down.
This tweet has gone out to millions of Americans, 16.1 million to be exact. Is the tweet, as I read it to you, the NSA and FBI tell Congress that Russia did not influence the electoral process? Is that accurate?
Well, it's hard for me to react to that. Let me just tell you what we understand the state of what we've said is. We've offered no opinion, have no view, have no information on potential impact because it's never something that we looked at.
Okay. So it's not too far of a logical leap to conclude that the assertion that you have told the Congress that there was no influence on the electoral process is not quite right.
Right. It certainly wasn't our intention to say that today because we don't have any information on that subject.
How you use the game of golf is something that he's talked about. He had a mini cabinet meeting the other day or 2 weekends ago, down at his club in Virginia, and I remember so many people jumping to the conclusion that he's going down and playing golf.
As far as wiretapping, I guess, by this past administration, at least we have something in common, perhaps.
There's an assumption that because they're an investigation, it must mean that it's about something. My point to you is that there's an assumption on behalf of most people in the media about